Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a natural hair video. I know, it's been a minute. This is somewhat my natural hair. So, if you are interested in how I achieve this hairstyle, please keep on watching. Alright, I know I look a hot mess. So, I had my hair in a low ponytail and I just did these twists because I was going to do like a twist out ponytail. But I think I changed my mind. I'm going to take out these twists and I'm going to do 2 low ponytails instead of 1 since that's different. And, you know, I'm going to spice it up. So, my hair still has like gel up here and stuff, so I ain't want to do like too much with it because my hair just has been, I'm thinking about cutting it at this point. So, anyway. So, I'm just taking this rat tail comb. And we just gonna do a little part down the middle. It ain't gonna be perfect because I don't got time to be perfecting it. Okay, as long as it's straight right here, I don't really care about the back at the moment. So I'm gonna just feel and hope it's straight. So I bought this tangle teaser from Target because I needed something to detangle my hair, and I didn't bring anything with me, so I got this tangle teaser. So I'm just gonna brush my hair. It is a little damp, but it's for the most part detangled, so that's why I ain't like scared to brush through it right now while it's kind of dry. I really just want to go in with I figured I'd buzz out my Kiki, I call it my Kiki oil. Glossy Shine Gel by Curl Days. I don't have that much left, so if I run out of this, I'm gonna use my wet line. Take a nice heat glob of that. And just put it all up here. And I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking about adding a few clip-ins in a bun just to give it a little va-va-voom. So let's start brushing this. Okay, so I think I want it to be right there. Take a hairband. That's nice and sleek, and I'm gonna comb out my baby hairs that I want out. I should have did this before. Everything else will brush back. I'm gonna take some of my Cologne Essentials oil. This is by my girl, Sincerely Naya. This is like a hair growth oil, but it also adds a lot of shine to the hair. Makes it look real healthy. So, just gonna add some of that in for shine. Not really a little bit, I added a lot. I also got this Edge Booster Extra Shine Moisture Rich Foam Mousse, so I might try, actually I'm gonna try this and see if we can get a little curl action but still keep the volume. And I'm not mad at it. So I'm really making sure I'm focusing on the ends, leaving a little bit of puff in the middle, because that's what's going to give us our volume when we go to make the puff. I'm sorry I ain't giving y'all eye contact. I'm literally like getting ready. I ain't just chilling. I got somewhere to be in an hour, and I still got to do my makeup and pick out an outfit. Okay. Boom. So we got them ends curling up. I'm gonna take just a little bit more of this oil in my hand and also add it to this piece right here. So I want it to kind of be like one of those, you know, big girl buns, but like this, but with pieces hanging out. But I feel like I want it to be a little bit more vivacious. So let me grab like 2 clip ends. Okay, I got a 4 clip and a 3 clip. Okay, so what I'm gonna try to do first is clip this around the base. This is a 3 clip. 3 clip is the perfect size for around my little ponytail. So now I'm going in with some more of that satin mousse until it's really like saturated. I really could spray it with some water, but I just don't have that by me right now, so I'll make it do what it do with this. So my hair's in the middle and then it's just short on the ends. So what I'm gonna do is leave a piece of the track hair out, so this long track hair. Then I'm gonna take this and just like, I really want it to hang underneath. So before I do that, let's go ahead and take the long piece and wrap it around the track so we can cover that up for the most part. So what I'm actually gonna do is come up inside here, make sure my hair is defined, and we're gonna do it like a donut. So we just gonna like kind of do the wrapped around like that, pretty much. But before I do that, let me make sure I brush my hair, the hair that's gonna be showing, aka my hair. So I'm brushing like the inside. Y'all know how you do when you put the donut piece on and then you make it a donut. So that's all I'm doing, and then I'm gonna wrap it around. That way, one, where I clip the hair in is gonna be covered, but two, it's gonna give me more of that messy look with pieces hanging out. And then I'm just gonna take a rubber band, cause I don't know where my hair ties are, so I'm gonna just take a rubber band and pretty much just go over the bun like that, and then have like pieces hanging out. Boom, that's cute. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, so that's our 2 little buns back there. Now we're gonna do baby hairs. I'm gonna just take some of that same glossy shiner gel on my edges. Taking some of that foam mousse and just putting that on the ends of my baby hairs, and then swooping just like the top part. I've been just letting my baby hairs kind of do what they want to do. Alright, y'all, so this is my baby hairs after I took off my headscarf and did my makeup. So let me know if y'all like this makeup, or let me know if y'all like this hairstyle. I love like how adding just like a clip-in can make your hair just like elevate. Like my little buns probably wouldn't look this big without that one little clip-in, so I definitely like using clip-ins to like elevate a plain natural hairstyle. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this natural hair video, if y'all are interested in more. Also, if y'all think I should come out here, please let me know, because I'm really contemplating it, like cutting it into a shorter afro. I love y'all so very much. Thank y'all for tuning in, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you tenfold. Bye, y'all.
It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.